All right, good morning, happy homeowners. What is it? Brian Adams here, 7:15 a.m. The New Year's Eve before New Year's Eve. But over here in Costa Mesa, getting ready to sand and finish this wide plank, the white oak, like a grayish brown. Looks like it came out of the box pre-finished, so the oil finish. And as green as the oil finish is and the theories behind it, I even put it on my cabin. It just doesn't hold up as well as I wish it did. A lot of stains on this floor. Not really changing the colors, but let me show you. We've just got so many, we're not doing the steps, but as soon as you walk in, I mean, one, it's a beautiful floor. I mean, just slow down, look, you can see the line where it's used to be the rug. So here's what it used to look like, that lightish gray rough. Kind of darkened up with the sun, but then you got all these stains, and there's just no way, more stains, no way to get it out. Here's a big one just right here in front of the door leading to the restroom. More of the little drops, you see those. With the oil finish, here's one, it just colored it, see it? A lot of drops over here where the kitchen table used to be. So we're going to sand this down, we're going to stain it pretty close to the same color. We can't match it exact, but we'll get close. And but then we'll put on, a great Loba finish that's going to, that will protect the floor. So when you're cleaning and mopping and dropping, spilling wine and chili dogs, it's protected. So come on, focus. There we go. It's not going to be a drastic difference, but it's going to look brand new again, and it'll be better protected. All right, guys.